Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. This is Joannie and today I want to share with you how you can create a vision board, an effective and cheap vision board using an app called Gratitude and Canva. Usually when you create a vision board, you get images from magazines and newspapers, but unless you have magazines laying around, you have to buy them, which can cost a lot of money. I ended up buying a bunch of magazines and I spent like $40 on them just to create a vision board. Then I started googling images of the things that I wanted and just put them on the vision board. But I learned about this app called Gratitude when you can create a vision board, mini vision boards, and they provide you with the images and you just pick and choose, and that was a lot easier and cheaper. If you're not familiar with the term vision board, a vision board is a collection of images and affirmations that you put in a poster that is designed to serve as inspiration towards your goals and your dream life. So you just gather images that reflect how you feel towards a future. Let's say you want to be rich and famous. You'll find images that align with that desire. So maybe you'll find cameras and the Hollywood sign and movies and money, and you put them all together in this board and you hang them. You hang the board somewhere in your house where you can see it, and that would be like an inspiration to work towards that goal. It's not just gonna magically happen. It's just because it's on the board, but it serves as inspiration. It has been endorsed, celebrities use vision boards all the time. Oprah has talked about it. Issa Rae talked about it. She shared her vision board on Instagram and how everything came true.
So 7 years ago, December 2013, around this time, I made a vision board with some of my company members at the time. And I never made a vision board before, but I was like, fuck it, let me do it. And looking at it, I framed it and put it in my office because so much shit has happened. I made a work section, a personal section, and a miscellaneous section. On the work side, I knew I wanted to do something with HBO. Did that, baby. I knew I wanted to do global travel. Did that. TV writer.
So it's a great way to stay inspired and motivated towards your goal. So today I'm going to show you how you can create your own, and I'm going to show you the one I created. Okay, let's go to my phone. So Gratitude is an app, it's a journaling app where you can journal if you want. They have affirmations, daily zens, and vision boards. Once you download the app, it's gonna ask you to pay for it, but you don't have to pay for it. Just continue with the free version. In the free version, you can only do one vision board at a time. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, and then you save them to your phone, and we upload that to Canva. But first, let's create one vision board so you could get the hang of it. So you go to vision board, and then add another selection, and then you pick what you want to focus on right now. Let's say we want to travel, a section for a vision board about travel. Where do you want to go? So just click on travel, continue, and then the app will give you all these suggestions of places that you can add to your vision board. So let's see, let's say this looks really nice. This looks like it is Greece. I don't know, let's add this place. Machu Picchu, I've always wanted to go there. Let's save that. This beautiful waterfall, that looks like Iceland, so let's go there. I would love to go to Iceland one day, so let's add that. Tokyo, I've been wanting to go to Tokyo for forever. The Maldives, I've been dying to go there. We'll add that. I like this picture of this girl with a map, just kind of shows her like, where should I go next? I want that. What else? This couple with the air balloons. The desert, I always want to go to the desert in Egypt. I think there's you can only add like 8. I like this photo. Just a couple relaxing somewhere. smoking hookah. Or maybe 10. I added a lot. Oh, this picture looks okay. Yeah, you can only add up to 10 photos. I couldn't add that. So next we're gonna go there, and then it creates all the photos. Then you click done, and there you have it. You can also play a reel of that section of travel. It's kind of slow, the reel, but you can play the reel or upload it to your Instagram or whatnot. Okay, we're done with this. So this is what it looks like once that vision board is done. If you want to add another section, you have to upgrade to a pay account. So what I do is I screenshot this and save it. Click travel, done, save to photos, and then I will delete this. How do I delete it? I forgot how to delete it. Oh, so just click on the vision board to delete it, and then click delete, and you just do it again. Let's say for finance, let's do one for finance, continue, and you just kind of add whatever you want. We'll just add a bunch of stuff here. Money, more money, success, hard work, yes, and then let's save it, done, and that's your finance. You don't have to play the real. That's your financial section of the board, and you do the same thing. Screenshot it, save the photos to your phone, and then do that for each section of your life, like love, relationships, family, fun, whatever you want to add to your vision board. And there you have the photos where you don't need any magazines or whatnot. All right, let me stop the screen record. So now after you've done that, I mean, there's other ways that you could, this is how I did it, which was really easy and fast. I didn't have to buy a magazine. I think a couple of years ago, I spent like $30 on magazines. And then last year what I did was that I just kind of Google images of things that I wanted on my vision board and printed them out. But I don't have a color printer, so I had to go to FedEx to do that, and it cost me just as much as buying magazines. So this is the really easy way and cheap way to do it. So now we're gonna go to Canva. Canva is a graphic design website. It's super easy to use. It's free. There is a pro account just to use certain features of the site, but you don't really need the pro account to do what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So we're going to log in, and what you want to do, you want to create a poster. So they have different templates here, so we already have a poster one. So you click on that, and it's going to bring you to the next window. But I already started. I'll show you my vision board. So once you're on Canva, you have to create an account. You can do it with either your Facebook or your Gmail. And then you go, you look for the template for the poster, which is right on the front page, right here. You just click on that, and it's gonna bring you to this blank poster. And then you're gonna go to uploads, and then you're gonna click on upload, and find wherever you saved the photos to. Obviously, if it's on your phone, you're gonna have to transfer them to your computer and save them somewhere on your computer. So once you do that, I already uploaded my designs from my vision board. So what you're gonna do is just gonna click on it. It will come here to the poster. You can either make it bigger so you can see better, or whatever, or not. We're gonna make it a little bigger, and you're just gonna kind of size it how you want it, and just kind of spread them out. If you want to add any titles to it, I already did that one. I I have The Rock on my vision board because I love him. And then if you want to have, so you keep doing that and you kind of fill up the poster however you want. If you want to change the color of the poster, you can just, so click on what. Okay, I had to switch my card and we're back in. So if you want to change the color of your background, just click on any white space and you go here to this color square, and it'll give you, like, it'll show you the colors associated with whatever photos you already have on the poster, so you can change it to any of those if you like, or go down here and click on a different one, or you can just find the color you want by going into this color square and kind of move it around. Let's say you want like a bluish thing or a pink thing, a pink-ish color, purplish. So once you're all done, I'll show you the one that I did, which is this one. Once you're all done, with your poster, so this is my poster, like this little things. Let me show you how to do that. So you go to elements and you kind of just look around for whatever graphics you want. You can go to here, there's stuff here, like this could go, I don't know, oh, this is like a shop. Let's say you want to open a shop next year, I don't know. We'll put it here and they'll give you more suggestions like that, or this to do. Once you click on it, it'll give you more suggestions of things, of different similar sayings, like important, or well, you don't want work, let's do work, or yay, I don't know what this is. There's more here. So you just kind of play around and look through stuff as you're adding to your vision board. Do not quit. That note to self, do not quit, that's important. And then it'll give you more similar to that. So this is where, oh, this is where I want to go. This, make today great. So keep these, don't quit, you know, you just put them around, minimize them, of course, to make space. We'll use minimize here, maybe not the yay, we don't want any meetings. Don't quit, we'll put it somewhere here. So you get the hang of it. Just fill up your vision board, and once you're done, it's kind of, oh, okay, hold on, let me show you. If you want to write something yourself, you just go here to the T where this text is, click to add heading. This is like a big a title. If you want something smaller, do here, let's say keep going. You can write keep going. So let's say you want to have keep going on your vision board. So it's you write it, then you click away from it. So it could be, if you want to fix it, you just double click on it and the cursor will be there, and you can just move it around and write whatever. Once you're done, just click away from it and then click on it again, and just find a font that you like, and you can just go here, the font bar, and you look around. If this little crown means that you have to pay for it, you need a pro account, or you pay like $1 to use it. I have a pro account, so I could use the crowns, the fonts with the crown, but you don't have to. There's a lot of options, free options that you could use. So you can just like look around and see which one you like best. Once you're done with your poster, you're gonna go to print poster. It's gonna bring you here, and then you're gonna pick the size. I order mine, I think it was medium. No, I order a large one. Yeah, so you can order either small, medium, or large, depending on what size you order. That's how much you're gonna pay. I ordered a large, which was $15. But you can also order a small one. It'll just be $6, and you can just frame it, put it somewhere on your wall. After I ordered my poster, I got it in the mail. It took only a week. So let me open it. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do it for this video. I got it like a few days ago. Came fully secure in this box. It says Canva right there. They send you cute little posters, stickers. One print, one tree. Choose kindness, free to be different. Cute. And here is it's really big. Hold on, and that's my vision board. So I have a bunch of stuff in here. I have The Rock because I love him and I always wanted to work with him. Positive vibes because that's all I wanted this year. Positive vibes. I have a board just for like fashion because my wardrobe is pretty bland and I just wanted to vamp it up this year and just be more fabulous, you know. I have this photo. I found this photo here of this girl skydiving. No, I mean not skydiving, scuba diving. And I put "Be Brave" over it because I want to go scuba diving one day, but I also don't know how to swim. So that's the first thing I need to do is learn how to swim. Do amazing things because I am an artiste. I'm a writer and I produce films, short films and stuff. So I want to work in Hollywood one day, eventually sooner rather than later. So I have 2 Oscars here. Do amazing things, meaning that I want to do amazing work that represents my community and tell our stories in a positive light. That's why I have here Do What You Love. Money, I want to get money this year, so please subscribe. That will help me get a lot of money through YouTube. And then this is my travel part. I have the Sahara Desert, I think this is it, the Tokyo. I want to go to Greece. Health, I want to be healthier, lose some weight. I just want to let my light shine this year. That is the plan. So this poster cost me $15 and it was here in a week after I made it. So that is how you can make an effective and cheap vision board without having to buy any magazines. You can either download the images from any search engine, just Google them if you want, or you can use the app Gratitude. You can use the Gratitude app to just kind of create your little vision boards and just bring them all to Canva and combine them into one beautiful poster and print them out and put them on your wall somewhere. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. I post videos every week and I'm planning on doing a lot more tutorials on Canva. So if you want to learn how to use Canva so you can design your own posters and social media posts and use graphics for your social medias or whatnot, just subscribe to the channel. I'll be uploading them throughout the year. And until next time, bye.